3, 2, 1, action.
Good day, I'm Dejo Ezekiel Duke, RS21120, and I will be presenting to you about carbon fiber reinforced plastic, or known as CFRP. So during this presentation, there are several agendas that I will be explaining. The first one is the objective of the research, introduction to CFRP, the thirdly, material making, fourth, expected finding, how we use it, how we use the CFRP, and last but not least, conclusion, advantages, disadvantages, so on and so forth. So without further ado, we will go to the objective of the research. So CFRP, I expect it to improve fuel efficiency by reducing vehicle weight, and to achieve these objectives, we need to apply CFRP as our primary structure and secondary material. For instance, most aircraft and automotive has been using it as their primary and secondary material. So let me brief a bit about CFRP. Carbon Fibre Reinforced Polymer, CFRP, is a type of composite material consist of carbon fiber and polymer. The carbon fiber provides the strength and stiffness, while the polymer acts as a cohesive matrix to protect and help the fiber together. Carbon fiber reinforced plastics are manufactured as a strip, bars and sheets using different production techniques like filament welding, pultrusion and layup processes. So these three are the most common types of carbon fiber in their processes. They produce in shape of strip, in a shape of sheet, and as well in a shape of bars. So material making, how carbon fiber are being produced. So carbon fiber has to went through three different production: fiber production, resin production, and composite product forming. So in the fiber production, the monomer has to went through polymerization, and then it went through spinning process. This precursor is dissolved in a solution and wet spun into fiber, and then the bent fiber will have to go through oxidation, or known as carbonization, and the fiber are carbonized in a series of ovens, and then the result has to went through the finishing process, or the known as surface treatment, where carbon fibers are coated with sizing material then wound onto a spool. Meanwhile, in the resin production, thermoset and thermoplastics are the two major families of metric resins used in the composite. And then the resin and the carbon fiber combine together, and they went through composite product forming, where reinforcing fibers are integrated into a matrix resin, where most composite production methods are available, but resin transfer molding is one of the most common example that has been used by a lot of industries nowadays. And the final result, the composite product. Composite production products may vary widely from semi-finished pre-preg material used in wind turbines blades to finished molded vehicle panels. So what do we expect from these research? So an established metallic structure such as manipulators are redesigned with the use of CFRP. For instance, these two pictures that I have been displaying, a vehicle and a robotic arms. These two objects has been using CFRP as their primary and secondary material, and it will automatically decrease the weight of the structure, increase performances level, load bearing capacity, lightweight and high fatigue strength, and this makes CFRP will be widely used in material over steel and aluminium. As a conclusion for this presentation, the advantages of CFRP. So CFRP is basically a reliable material to be used in car manufacturing and industry use, since it is able to absorb high impact energy as compared to steel. Fun fact, CFRP is 30 times lighter than aluminium and 50 times lighter than steel. But the disadvantages, CFRP products is approximately 10 times higher than the price of steel counterparts, which makes it difficult for CFRP product to expand in domestic markets. Hence, CFRP products are manufactured through long production cycles, which will lead to less production goods in a specific time interval. But in order to resolve this issue, CFRP still the main contributing factor collectively surge the demand of carbon fiber reinforced plastic CFRP, thereby augmenting the global market growth. And that's all from me. Thank you.